Oh, hey everybody, I'm back again, and I have a real treat for you guys. Well, we had a salad, we used the bowl, we used the top. Today, we're gonna use the bag that the salad came in, and we're gonna make a beautiful gift bag out of it. It's going to be beautiful. You're going to be proud to give a gift in this gift bag, I'm telling you. So, let's see where we start. And we're going to do two different sides, so it's going to be extra special. Or, on your own bag, you can do the same on both sides. Whatever you want to do, okay? So, let's see. The first side, what we're going to do is we're going to make snowflakes for the first side. So we're going to use our scrap paper again. We're going to take a piece of our scrap paper and we're going to make snowflakes out of it. So, but a big piece of scrap paper is too big for our bag. So we're going to have to fold it up. But I'm going to position this so you can see better. There we go. Okay, I'm just folding up my paper so when I cut it, it's more efficient. Okay. Now the first thing we want to do is make a square. All right? So we're making a square out of our paper. I'm going to cut the extra off. It doesn't have to be perfect because snowflakes aren't perfect in nature. All right? Then, I hope you can see this. I'm going to move those out of the way. All right, then we're going to fold it again like this. And then we're going to round off the corners. Make sure that worked. Because we want to make a circle. So we're going to make it into a circle. But it doesn't have to be perfect because snowflakes aren't perfect. Okay, so then we're going to fold it into fours. And then again. Okay, and then on the folded side, we're just going to chop some triangles into it. And on the other side, we're just going to chop triangles, but just make sure they don't touch each other. I don't know if you did this in school, but we did, but it came out good. Okay, then you can open it up, and you got yourself a snowflake. Okay, just that easy. Okay, now we can make a couple different ones, different sizes. All you have to do is you take your paper, you fold it over like that, you make a square, and then you turn it into a circle. And then you can fold it up and make your snowflakes. So I'm going to turn this off so you're not bored, and we're going to make different snowflakes, okay? And then, okay, let's turn it off, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so we have our snowflakes all cut out here, and I did a little one too. Now we're going to glue them to our bag here. And of course, I have my trusty little dollar store glue gun that I love so much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some dabs onto my snowflake here. And then we're going to press it down. Okay. We're going to put a couple globs around. And then anything that might be sticking up that I want to glue down, I can always go back in there and glue it down too. I'm going to try to position it in the center-ish. Because you know how we work around here. We're not perfect. And we don't try to be. There we go. Now, if you wanted to paint your snowflake white, that's perfectly fine, but depending on the paper, the scrap paper that you use. There, isn't that pretty? Now I'm going to put my little tiny one down too. I think I'm going to put it in the corner. Just a little tiny one. And that way I'm going to leave an open spot on the other side where I could write who it's for. Okay, here we go. There we go. Isn't that pretty? Now here I can write who it's for and who it's from. My little gift bag. I like that. Now I might probably go back and put a couple more dabs of glue on there. Now on the other side, we're going to do a fancy reindeer. That's right, a fancy reindeer. So what we first need to do is some antlers. So we can either cut out the antlers and then paint it, or we can paint a little piece of scrap paper brown and then cut out our antlers. So I'm just going to paint some brown on here and then cut out my antlers from there. Okay. So I'm going to do that and I'll get right back with you. Okay, here we go again. So while I was waiting for my antlers to dry, I went ahead and painted up a little nose and cut out, the nose isn't quite dry, and cut out some eyes for eyeballs, and also this for a little snout, okay? So now I'm going to glue them all up so you can see. We're going to put the, oh dear, out of glue stick again. There we go. So we're going to put the antlers right where the handles of the bag are. Okay. Then we're going to put the eyeballs right underneath. Then we're going to put the snout. I can go back later and put more glue under where it's all sticking up. No worries. And we're going to put the little nose here. Isn't that cute? Don't worry, we're going to put little dots in the eyeballs. But we're going to paint those in. Okay, let me grab the paint, and you can see how cute this is. Cute, huh? Maybe bigger eyes? Okay. There we go, that looks better. Okay, and I have one more thing on here that I'm gonna put on so it looks extra special cute. It's my ribbon from my gift from my husband. I still have some left over. And I have a belt. A special belt. I got these at the dollar store. 16 in a package for only $1. Look at the bell. Isn't that cute? It's a little bell. See that? And there we go. Let me move that up there. Okay. Can you see that there? Let me see how best you can see it. There we go. Our gift bag. We have Rudolph on one side and we have snowflakes on the other. Isn't that beautiful? All from part of our salad that we had. Isn't that great? Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun. I can't wait to come back and do another craft. Thank you. Bye-bye.